I've been streaming for like 3 years. Relatively seriously.
One more. Hookah.
Oh, they're out. Last one out on site.
out.
On site.
Nice. Good job.
Yeah, so I've been streaming for like 3 years. I started streaming back in 2016ish, 2017, something like that.
Does that?
And
Does that do damage to you before?
Nah, it doesn't.
Try an Ares. I never use
The
it.
Q doesn't do damage.
Actually, I just bought this new skin. We're gonna use it.
Not pre-round.
Nothing. Yeah.
Heck.
Oh, my Discord's freaking out. Hold on.
There they are.
I'd like to go full time sometime. I'm streaming full time right now, but it's not really like I'm not like making a livable wage. I'm living at home, stuff like that. So that's the goal eventually.
Smoke's down.
Shower's heavy.
You're going for shower plant probably.
One enemy remaining.
Yeah, they're
Yeah,
playing.
yeah.
Don't let him get that. Don't let him get that plant money.
He's right behind the default.
He's in.
How do you get there? Just hold it.
I'm flashing him.
Good
Is he
round,
flash?
boys. Good round.
I can drop this for somebody.
Oh wait, I'll take it
Here,
if nobody
Grant,
else
take
is.
this.
Hell yeah. Just like we practice. That's my Brimstone impression. You guys like it? You hear that
was
laugh?
perfect.
Yeah.
It's like such a force. Like.
He's cute. I like him.
Smoke's down.
Is that raised?
It was her nade that went through.
I'm gonna stay here.
Yeah, there's 3 there. Just fall back. Fall back. Fuck him. You have ult too, unless
Oh my
you wanna
God,
fucking
he's
go
in
for
showers.
games on him.
Smoke's down.
Yeah, I'm gonna save. I was gonna ult it, and then I was like, I risk. I don't want that.
There's a
100%.
guy.
You want to push this?
They had bomb, yeah. On A.
I want their gun.
Wall's broken. They're planning
Bomb's
A.
planning.
One's close CT, I think. Maybe.
Yeah, I think
Spike
it is.
planted.
Fuck, man.
Smoke's
Trying
down.
to possibly TP here.
You might be in this. Push
No, I
it.
don't think he is.
Enemy
Under heaven, you saw him. You saw him under heaven.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Good
He has an
job.
out.
Retake.
They can't have an op here.
Smoke's down.
I smoked it for you.
I backed out though.
There's one close, right? Right here.
Right outside teleporter, guys.
Molly it?
Moli.
Showers.
One
Well,
enemy
okay, I suck.
remaining.
Good trade.
Thanks for doing all the damage.
Justin, I like your attitude.
Yeah, no problem, buddy. I got you.
Thanks, man.
I did all the damage on 3 of those
Trying my
guys.
best.
I did 66 to
No,
Phoenix,
like, I
96 to
think
Cypher,
if I
and
had to give
117 to
your
Sage.
comms,
Like,
like a 10 out of 10, or like a rating, I'd give it 10 out of 10.
yeah, your comms are
Thanks,
10
man.
out of 10.
Like, it's not clutter, but it's like also informative.
Are you like the Justin that all the cool people play with, like Shroud?
Of course, man.
Smoke's down.
I think he actually is. I
That's
don't
me.
actually know that Justin.
I smoked your mid. You're short.
They're open, by the way. He naded me. Just race here.
Smoke's down.
I resmoked because Raze was here. If Raze didn't show, I wasn't going to use it. But because Raze showed short, I think that it's possible that they're still doing a shower push.
I got one more. I'll wait till like
Almost
30
free
I'm going to
fire.
rotate off that.
One
I'm rotating, I have
more.
ulti.
None longs, all hookah.
30 seconds left.
They're on site, I'm coming.
I'm denying
Yeah,
play.
they're
All
on
their
site.
own, man.
Open up
I
the
can't.
sky.
Oh, nice. Good ult. Oh, fucking
Spike
long one.
planted.
Yeah, you got it.
She went for it, but
Worth.
One might be elbow. One was long. Alpine long.
backside. That smoke faded at the worst
Last
time.
player standing.
How was that not a hedge?
I think yellow's not a great color. I like green and cyan, not only, but only me.
Okay, right.
I like yellow because yellow stands out against most backgrounds.
Hookah and elbow.
So like the purple you see is kind of hard to see in this light right now.
I
Same
had
thing with
Phoenix 134,
cyan.
I have no
Cyan on
clue.
maps like this or in areas like this is kind of difficult to see. I think yellow stands out most on against most covers.
Yeah, that's gonna happen.
like
Dang,
that.
man.
That's why I use a lot of yellow in thumbnails too. I think yellow stands out very well. Mine is so yellow, dude.
Eyes.
Yeah, maybe if I'm
Show us
aiming it
where
like
they
this,
are.
but
Hey,
like for the
Omen,
most
when
part.
you smoke,
Smoke's down. Right between
shot.
the eyes.
I just got flashed.
Blinded short.
They could get TP.
Kill my
Guys.
allies.
I'm not playing my killer actually. Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, they say.
Damn, they're such pussies, man.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
Mhm.
Wait, are
This
you
is
allowed to
so
say that on stream,
boring.
Justin?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am.
Molly.
I'm gonna be honest. I'm like focused on what I do,
Out of charge.
and like comms are second.
Yo, boy, we're coming in here, okay?
Smoke's down.
Got flashed. Oh my god, we're just walking.
Nice.
The fuck is going on?
Could be
right now?
another one else.
All
In
that
the-
work
in the-
kinda
in the
tilts me,
slow.
not gonna lie.
Or that slowest one wasn't. Oh, maybe that's up.
Last
that's
player
tough.
standing.
Hookah long. Yeah. That's my bad for
Just
sure,
like
guys.
du-
Sorry.
Okay.
WP'd it.
I just dropped the smokes and ran
Don't
in.
worry about it.
Yep. They're doing a bunch of
Sure.
utility. Phoenix is up long.
That's not what I
I'm gonna go
wanted.
towards 7 with this.
Smoke's down.
Up
I've
long.
got no util.
2 up long. Like, what is this bitch doing?
Smoke's down.
Should I get?
Molly.
Fire in the hole. Here's my
Yeah,
Out of
right.
charge.
Nice, she's dead.
TP.
They're rotating
TP,
the TV.
TP.
If I can get a kill, I can ulti as well.
We can get the guy's showers. Like
Stim beacon here.
Your duty is not over.
I'm
Nice.
ultiing you all.
Open up the sky.
One
Nice.
enemy remaining.
Popping it.
Last
Oh
player
no, I ran out of
standing.
ammo. Oh, you're insane.
Holy.
Dude, look at that round. That was a good round for me. That ulti. Hog
I
ulti
was
there.
just sitting in U-Haul. All of a sudden, I turned.
See how
hit
calculated
one
that was? I was
bullet,
like, I want to
guys
get my
were
ulti so I can
rolling.
use this,
Yeah.
and then I used it. This is why Brimstone
down.
is so freaking powerful, though. Other characters can't do it like that.
Smoke's down.
Wall down.
I got smokes here.
Omen smokes.
Rotating.
Molly.
Omen.
Pushing through my slow.
Playing it.
Spike planted.
Smoke's down.
There they are.
One pocket.
No, I just broke
One
it.
small. I mean, one short. One
I
short.
know exactly where you are.
They're all over short, I think.
Stim beacon down.
Nice. Hit that shit.
One enemy remaining.
Last hit probably short as well. Yeah.
Nice try, kid.
Nice.
Good shot. There's another op here.
Dude, we're licking on these guys.
They're just sitting in their spawn, waiting for us to push. In their spawn.
Yeah, because we've been pushing so hard this game, dude.
I'm just
Oh,
gonna
one
push
push
the
out.
shower.
Oh, man.
2 U-Haul.
Smoke's down.
He pushed me.
Found them.
Next to shower, he's got a gun.
They allowed.
Sorry,
they
I
allowed.
was trying to
Oh,
place the smoke at the
Spike
time.
planted.
the fuck happened?
I was trying to place the smoke and he got pushed.
Got smoked out twice.
You will not kill my allies.
There that is too.
Has the best Brim ult spots. It's really good.
What the fuck?
The double op retake. Let's see it, boys.
Against pistols.
Probably one pocket.
Gotta go.
Yeah, check pocket.
Nice.
I'm holding.
Cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover
One
me,
you
cover
all?
me, cover me.
Kill?
Taken out.
Last player standing.
Cypher,
It's
H4,
tabbed, it's
Cypher,
tabbed.
H4, 100%.
I got it tabbed, yeah, yeah.
95. Wait, whoa.
Thrifty.
How do you, wait, how do you
Yeah.
get there? Hello? My nade
I had
was
to kill him.
95.
I went to smoke for Sage and then they pushed her.
They just
Yeah.
they just hid behind the wall, and then as soon as they broke, they all just bursted out before on short.
Are we buying it now?
I can buy.
I'm gonna do a light shield ghosty.
Just be able to buy.
Dude,
next
we're
round.
better than these guys. I'm buying.
Together.
I do not have wall this round. That's just expensive.
They will.
Okay, so they all walked up. That's my bad.
Oh my god, that
They
should have been a
literally-
headshot.
They shot the bomb out of my hand.
Yeah, they're out on site already.
Smoke's down.
Enemy spotted.
Open up the sky.
One enemy
Holy
remaining.
shit, I just got the god flash. Last one is long.
Yeah, that was
I'm
such a
pretty
good
sure.
blind.
Last one was A, right? Yeah.
Yep.
I thought she was long.
Smoke's down.
She
Probably
off somebody A, so I did a whole 20
That's-
damage with my ulti there, and it got a kill.
No, 2 of them are broke now. That guy.
Yeah, I hit
is gone.
the Sage for 130.
Oh,
Probably gonna be like.
are you still streaming?
Yeah,
Oh, I figured you'd be done by now.
it's like 11:30.
Yeah.
I can flash this out.
I'm smoking CT.
Flashing.
Backside.
Holy shit, this
Good
thing's
shot.
about to rape me.
He's in tube and then one backside.
Oh, would you look at that?
Yeah.
You are.
Backside slip.
You just died.
Gotta do what I'm good at.
Go, 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 go.
Hookah,
Last
hookah.
player standing.
Got this. You got wall.
How have you been?
I'm good. Travis is clutching right now though.
Yeah, turn. This is about a clutch of 1v2. There's a
Just
ghost
goes
right
down
next to you,
right there.
and the bomb's next to you.
Damn, man.
Rip,
I just
dude.
need info on where they were.
Yeah, I died from freaking flank. How did he take TP?
Yeah, not everyone heard it.
That's
Hey,
what I was-
hello, King Stream. Make sure you use your tier 1 Prime sub. Your mom has an Amazon Prime. You have a Prime sub.
Link
Hey.
your mom's Amazon Prime and
Alright.
Prime sub.
Time to win, boys.
Tell us your mom's maiden name.
Tell your mom
sure.
that you want to save money.
Go towards
I can
elbow, yeah.
smoke for us, homies.
They're probably rotating already.
Smoke's down.
Backside.
Backside, yeah.
I don't know about this one.
Yeah, I don't
we
know
can-
about
we
this
can
one
follow,
either.
we can follow.
Elbow. Elbow.
Oh,
Fire in the hole!
Oh well. There's a trap there. You saw it.
Let's just fall. Let's just fall.
it could be behind
Yeah.
us.
Just leave, I think. Just leave, man. Nice.
Stim beacon
I don't have
here.
any more smokes though, so we should just push it.
Raze was all
I
open.
do have wall. I still have wall.
Maybe wall plant.
30
Yeah, they're in
seconds
pipes.
Spike planted.
I got out. I'm gonna slow your haul just so you can make a move.
Stim beacon here.
Yep,
Have an
should have
op.
seen that coming. I bet. That was dumb of me.
You have raise abilities to stop bomb.
I'm bomb.
Last player standing.
Oh, he's 84.
Unavoidable.
Yeah,
Nice.
Oh, I threw the bomb.
that was dumb of
That's
me. If I
close.
could have gotten a trade, maybe then we would have won that. But
Yeah.
instead, I just got off.
I didn't know what to do. Like
Now
what
I
to do for
know.
you
We saved
there.
that next, I think. They see you, man.
They got a
There's
cypher
camera.
cam. We gotta move.
Okay, yeah.
Smoke's down.
Oops, sorry.
We're getting blind. Slow backside. Another spot.
Omen was on site.
Planted.
Omen was on site.
I have ulti.
You're dropping, just chill.
Holy shit, yeah.
Don't need to peek.
Still up and
There's
back.
two
I'll
there.
try to mark him.
Once we find everyone, just call it out. I'm watching.
There's
Hook
two
Up Mine.
CT.
After we got spotted by that cam, we kind of had to move. Like if we were gonna make our play, we had to move it. So
Good job.
that's why I dropped all 3 smokes.
Oh, I'm dead. Fuck.
No, you got it. You got it.
Together.
They save so hard, dude. That is a big save. I don't know why. Like they have 3
Omen
people who
beat
are
this
almost
again?
capped.
I could flash it.
They might off this.
They have the cypher cam long, so as soon as
Yeah,
we
I'm gonna jiggle
reveal,
peek it. Okay.
No cam.
Smoke's down.
I'm in smoke here.
That might be a bad smoke.
Slowing
Molly and
backside.
backside.
Slowing
Go for plant.
backside.
Go for plant.
TP.
Back aside, back aside, back aside.
Good shots.
One enemy
can rest.
remaining.
Okay, she's hopping. She's hopping. I'm not gonna res.
Go jiggle
They
peek
might,
this.
they might stack here.
If they have the cam and they see us, they might rotate quick.
He's probably
She is.
close. He's never done that before.
I broke the cam.
Well, tell me once it goes away and I'll flash you in.
You dropped out of
Garden.
Coco.
I can flash you in if you want. Flashing.
They're gonna rotate pretty quick, I feel.
Probably.
Smoke's down.
Nice.
Enemy spotted.
There it is.
Elbow. Omen is elbow.
Open up the sky.
Enemy spotted.
Backside. Got him.
Job.
Someone shoot this. Someone shoot this.
Oh my god.
Backside.
Oh,
I ultied because I figured they rotated faster this time.
nice.
Okay. Why does he get off? No, like, I mean,
Last player
Oh my god, I
standing.
thought my audio just.
hey, you win this.
One enemy
Oh,
remaining.
you're insane,
That's
Justin!
better.
Oh my god, I have my babies, dude. What the fuck?
I'm gonna be
Yo,
honest, I don't
let's
know
all
who-
reveal
I don't
long
know
here.
who
Let's all
Justin
reveal
is.
long here with this cam, and then let's double back A, okay? I could even full sell it for you guys if you want. Here, I'll drop my smokes, okay? Everybody reveal long here with me, and then you guys go A, and then I'll drop smokes.
Careful for like a Phoenix all through teleport.
I wish he would.
There's no cam.
Okay, double back.
They walled
No,
it.
no, shift back.
Yep, done.
Sage is there.
Yeah,
They don't
Sage
have
is here.
slows or wall there. They might have Cypher here though.
Push this
Good
dude's
pick.
off.
Down.
We should push that.
Smoking heaven. Flashing close.
I'm gonna get wall down.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Pushing you, I think.
Yep, got him. He's in.
Nice. He's in CT.
I just slowed it.
Or they could come from. They could come from short. Turn around, somebody, please.
One short.
Nice.
Healing you.
One close.
One
Here
enemy
you go.
remaining.
Dude,
Nice round, guys. Good round.
Gone here.
I knew
Sorry
they
for
weren't gonna do it.
you.
No, I knew that, like they wouldn't check that because they killed
Match
me.
point.
She broke.
GG, boys. Good game.
No.
GG.
She actually killed me.
Attackers win.
She's trying to squeeze as much combat score.